المحطة الأخيرة لهذا.
Hello, Burj Khalifa. Rich. Hello. Happy birthday, Tressa.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Parang ano lang, 25.
Okay, dahil dyan, hindi na kita pababayarin. So, thank you for celebrating with me.
Of course. Hello guys! Happy birthday, Tressa!
Thank you. O, diba? Siyempre ang celebrant naka-gold ang mga bisita ng ka-vlog.
Yes, because black is
Thank you for
beautiful.
following instructions.
Of course. Nasa Kitchen 6 kami at pupunta kami sa Japanese cuisine. Okay. Masarap?
Hindi naman maasim. Magsarap.
Oo nga, oo. Na-try ko na. Tressa!
Wow!
Original yan ha. Charot. Happy birthday, Tres!
Thank you!
Rice is life.
Busog na ako.
We're
Time for Chinese.
Chinese cuisine. Oh my! Dessert time! Wow, ang ganda naman ng cake. Anong dessert yan, Mi?
Red velvet.
Wow! Yes, insan. First, for the content. Wow! The gorgeous! The birthday queen! Ganda naman ng birthday girl! Happy birthday, Tressa! Thank you, Tress, for today. Happy birthday! Pre, after Kitchen 6, dito naman kami sa ano to, Heyog?
Is it dessert? Is it dessert or
Heyog.
drinks? Heyog. I think this is dessert time or drinks time?
Coffee time.
Coffee.
Yung hayug time.
Merienda time.
Ito na lang, oh.
So, mamili tayo. Saan
Gusto ko
masarap
ice
dito?
Spanish.
Ito, I've tried this one already.
Why are we speaking English? Are we like rich kids?
Ay, mag-English ka kasi si Tres ang sasagot.
One eternity later.
Wow! Thank you! This is mine.
This is mine.
Yay!
Super worth it for the price na.
Wow! Oh, aesthetic daw with their lippies. Birthday girl! Pero this time, thank you, Desiree.
Wow!
Grabe, ang kinis naman ng friend ko. Yay! So that's it for today's video.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching and see you again on our next vlog.